Hello students. Last time we have started halogen derivatives. In halogen derivatives we have started reactions of haloarenes, in which first reaction we have completed, that is reaction with active metals, in which we have seen Wurtz-Fittig reaction and Fittig reaction. In Wurtz-Fittig reaction we have seen that when alkyl halide is created with haloarenes in presence of sodium metal and dry ether gives alkyl benzene. Then in Fittig reaction we have seen that when two molecules of haloarenes undergo reaction with sodium metal in presence of dry ether gives barphenene. Now we are going to see next reaction, nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Now, this chlorobenzene is the example of haloarene, in which we have in chlorobenzene these haloarenes or this chlorobenzene or any haloarene, that is bromobenzene, iodobenzene, does not easily undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. The reason is that the resonance effect and sp2 hybrid state of carbon. Now here this carbon atom which is present in this benzene ring are sp2 hybridized. That is, there is carbon-carbon double bond present in the ring. And here this carbon atom is bonded to halogen atom, that is either it is chlorine, bromine or iodine. Now these halogen atoms are more electronegative. Therefore, these more electronegative halogen atoms withdraw electron from benzene nucleus towards itself by inductive effect and deactivate this benzene ring or aromatic ring for nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second reason is resonance effect. Now we know that in the conjugated system there is presence of alternate double bond and single bond. And due to conjugated system, there is delocalization of pi electrons takes place. In haloarenes, this halogen atom possesses 3 lone pairs of electrons, in which 1 lone pair of electron is conjugated with the aromatic ring. That is, there is lone pair of electrons, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, and single bond. That is, this lone pair of electron of chlorine is alternatively with aromatic ring. That is, lone pair of electron, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, and single bond. That is, this is conjugation. And due to this conjugation, this haloarene shows resonance effect. Now, in case of resonance effect, we know that there is delocalization of electrons takes place. And therefore, by the delocalization of electron or by resonance effect, this lone pair of electron of this chlorine gets shifted in between this carbon and Cl bond. And therefore, the valency of this carbon becomes 5. Therefore, these pi electrons get shifted on this orthocarbon atom. And we get this structure in which this orthocarbon atom possesses a lone pair of electron and this CCl bond acquires double bond nature. Chlorine becomes negatively charged because 2 electrons get shifted towards aromatic ring. Therefore, it acquires positive charge and ortho position there is negative charge. That is, this ortho position becomes electron rich. Now, then these electrons of ortho position get shifted in between these 2 carbon atom of aromatic ring, and therefore these pi electrons of these 2 carbon atom of aromatic ring get shifted on that para position. Then we get this structure. Now this para position becomes electron rich. Then again this electron pair gets shifted between these 2 carbon atom, and then pi electrons at this position of aromatic ring get shifted at ortho position. We will get this structure. Now at ortho position there are lone pair of electrons. Now again resonance takes place or delocalization of electrons takes place. This electron pair gets shifted between these 2 carbon atom and this electrons get shifted or pi electrons get shifted on chlorine and we get again first structure. Only position of double bond is changed. Now here, due to this delocalization of electron or due to resonance effect, this chlorobenzene cannot undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Now here we have seen the structure of alkyl halide, for example CH3Cl, and in case of this second, third and fourth structure, resonating structure of this chlorobenzene, there is carbon and Cl double bond, that is carbon Cl double bond is present. Now we know that the single bond have, that is CCl bond have larger bond length, that is this bond length is larger as compared to the other, this CCl bond. This bond length is shorter because it acquires double bond nature. Now here this bond length is shorter, therefore it acquires double bond nature, therefore it is shorter. And when the bond becomes shorter, it becomes stronger. This bond becomes stronger as compared to the CCl bond present in alkyl halide. And due to stronger nature, breaking is not easy. Breaking of this CCl bond is not possible. Then second reason, now we are going to see that this haloaris does not easily undergo nucleophilic substitution. If this chlorobenzene undergoes self-ionization, then here formation of phenylcation takes place. Ionization, now here this chlorine is more electronegative, therefore it acquires both bonded electron pairs towards itself to form Cl minus ion. Automatically this carbon atom becomes positively charged. Now here this phenylcation is formed. Now this phenylcation is unstable and this unstable phenylcation cannot be stabilized. Therefore, it does not undergo SN1 reaction. Now, we know that when tertiary butyl alkyl halide undergo SN1 reaction, there is formation of tertiary butyl carbonium ion, which is stable carbonium ion. That this intermediate is stable, and therefore nucleophilic substitution, unimolecular reaction can be possible. That is, SN1 reaction mechanism can be possible. But in case of this phenylcation, which is unstable, SN1 reaction mechanism is not possible. Then we see what about SN2 reaction. Now in case of SN2 reaction mechanism, there is simultaneous backside attack of nucleophile takes place. But in case of haloarenes, at the backside, bulky aromatic ring is present, and therefore attack of nucleophile from backside is not possible, and therefore it does not easily undergo SN2 reaction mechanism also, and therefore these haloarenes does not easily undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. But if there is presence of some electron withdrawing group at ortho or at para position, then these haloarenes can undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. We have seen that these haloarenes does not easily undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. But if electron withdrawing group like nitro group, that is NO2 group, is attached to this benzene ring or haloarenes at ortho or para position, then it increases the rate of nucleophilic reaction. Why this happens? Now look here. This is 4-nitrochlorobenzene. In this 4-nitrochlorobenzene, when resonance takes place, that is, this lone pair of electron of this chlorine gets shifted in between this carbon-chlorine bond, then this pi electron gets shifted on this ortho carbon atom. and then we get this structure, that is this is second structure, resonating structure. Now here these ortho electrons or negative charge get shifted in between these two carbon atoms, and then these pi electrons get shifted on this para carbon atom, and we get negative charge at para carbon atom. Now this negative charge which is present at para carbon atom can be stabilized by this nitro group, because this nitro group is electron withdrawing group. Oxygen atom is more electronegative and therefore it withdraw electron from this para carbon atom towards itself, and thus this negative charge can be stabilized by this NO2 group like this. And therefore when electron withdrawing group present in the aromatic ring either at ortho position or para position, it increases the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In nucleophilic substitution we know that this chlorine is substituted by another nucleophile like hydroxy group or OH minus ion. Now if the number of electron withdrawing group increases, the rate of nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes also increases. Now in case of this example, this is 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene. Here the nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place very fast because 3 electron withdrawing groups stabilizes the negative charge present at ortho and para position, and therefore this compound, that is 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene, easily undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then here this is second example. Here there are only 2 nitro groups at 2 position and at 4 position, that is this is 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene. Now here the number of electron withdrawing group increases, therefore nucleophilic substitution is also decreases. Here this compound, this is 4-nitrochlorobenzene. Now here number of nitro group or electron withdrawing group decreases, and therefore the nucleophilic substitution reaction also decreases in case of 4-nitrochlorobenzene. And then this compound is easily undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction as compared to that of chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene does not easily undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction due to absence of electron withdrawing group. Now we are going to see example. This is para-nitrochlorobenzene. This para-nitrochlorobenzene or 4-nitrochlorobenzene, when it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction, for this reagent use the NaOH and then followed by hydrolysis at 433 Kelvin temperature, will get para-nitrophenol or 4-nitrophenol. Then we will take second example. This is 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene. 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene. When this compound undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction, when this compound is heated with aqueous sodium carbonate at 403 Kelvin and followed by hydrolysis, then here formation of 2,4-dinitrophenol takes place. That is NO2 and here OH group. 2,4-dinitrophenol is formed. This Cl is replaced by or substituted by hydroxy group or OH minus ion. Now look here, we compare these two. We have to use here strong base, that is NaOH. Then temperature is also higher, that is 433 Kelvin. But when here there are 2 electron withdrawing group or 2 nitro group, then here temperature condition is also lower. Weak base, that is sodium carbonate, is used. Then in case of this third example, this is 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene. Now here this 2,4-trinitrochlorobenzene, when warmed with water molecule, formation of 2,4,6 trinitrophenol takes place. That is, here there is no need of any drastic condition or no need of any base also. It easily undergo hydrolysis or nucleophilic substitution reaction with water molecule when this reaction is formed. That is, rate of this reaction is higher in case of 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene. Nucleophilic substitution or hydrolysis is easily carried out, but in case of this dinitrochlorobenzene or 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene, we have to use 403 Kelvin temperature to get 2,4-dinitrophenol. And in case of this compound, here there is only one electron withdrawing group, then it undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction at 413 Kelvin temperature. From these three reactions, we can say that if the number of electron withdrawing groups are more, then nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place easily. In March 2013, this question is asked. The question is, para-nitrochlorobenzene can easily undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction to form para-nitrophenol. The answer for this question is like this. Now this is para-nitrochlorobenzene. This para-nitrochlorobenzene, when undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction, gives para-nitrophenol. Now here this para-nitrochlorobenzene undergo nucleophilic substitution, then here it gets attached to this carbon atom. Now when this hydroxy group or OH minus ion gets attached to this carbon atom, pi electrons get shifted at ortho position and we get this structure. Now here at this carbon atom, both chlorine and hydroxy group are attached to this carbon atom and negative charge is at ortho position. This is first resonating structure. Now this structure undergo resonance to form like this. That is, this electron pair gets shifted in between these two carbon atoms and then here formation of double bond takes place. And these pi electrons get shifted on this para carbon atom. That is, negative charge is obtained at para carbon atom. Now this negative charge which is obtained at para carbon atom is stabilized by this nitro group like this. That is, this negative charge gets shifted in between this carbon and nitrogen atom. Now nitrogen is electron withdrawing group having positive charge. Therefore these electrons can be accommodated between this carbon and nitrogen atom. And then this double bonded NO group, this pi electron gets shifted on this oxygen atom. And we get this third resonating structure in which this negative charge obtained at para carbon atom is stabilized by this nitro group, electron withdrawing nitro group. And then here in third structure, again this electron pair from this oxygen atom gets shifted in between this nitrogen and oxygen atom. And then here formation of double bond takes place and these pi electrons get shifted in between these two carbon atoms and formation of this double bond takes place. Then when this electron pair gets shifted in between these two carbon atoms, this pi electron gets shifted on this carbon atom, that is ortho carbon atom, and negative charge is obtained at ortho carbon atom. Then we get this fourth structure. And then here this fourth resonating structure fastly converted into para-nitrophenol. This is para-nitrophenol. How this occurs? This electron pair gets shifted in between these two carbon atoms and then this chlorine is